Welcome back to the channel, and today we are going truck racing on our career mode for NASCAR 06 Total Team Control. It will be our first race in the truck series as we had signed a new contract, and we are going racing at Martinsville. Let's get started with practice and qualifying. So as always, practice off screen, then I go qualifying. Be right back. Okay, so truck is super tight. I loosened it up as much as I possibly could, and it still seems tight. So this is gonna be rough, to say the least. So let's get on the qualifying.
Green flag.
Hit the curb there. That didn't help. Right now we're sitting dead last. And see, there's that tightness I was talking about.
Come on, one more time.
Let's see if we can do something a little better. Yeah, this truck is just so tight. So tight. Loose on the straightaways, tight in the corners. Tried to do what I could. This is going to be a rough race.
Did the best you could. Don't worry, we got a provisional to get us to go.
That's alright. Maybe we can make some ground up in the race. We'll see.
EA Sports is proud to bring you NASCAR Craftsman Truck Series racing from one of the fastest and most exciting half miles in the world, Martinsville Speedway. Welcome back, race fans, for the running of today's Kroger 250. It's a beautiful day and conditions on the track are nearly perfect, so we're ready for the command to get the engines fired.
Alright, so we're going to get this race started, and actually I think this is a race we may have to pit for the first time in the game. So if we do, we will see how that goes, if our pit crew is any good. So let's get this race started.
Green flag coming up. Get ready. Green flag, go, go, go. What's up high?
And we're already off to a rough start
All clear, bud.
of this 62 lap race. So it's going to be a longer race than
Number 123 is outside.
And I'm already
Nice pass.
bashing into people.
You're clear.
If you're new to the series, you know I hit everybody.
Number
And,
178.
driving is terrible.
Clear, all clear.
Loose off that corner there.
You're looking
Now
for
we're
some
bashing into
payback.
people. Again.
Wow,
Truck won't turn, rather.
You okay?
Oh, it's going to be a long race.
7 seconds off the leading back bumper.
It's alright. We're rookies. We're learning. Hopefully.
Still alongside. Still beside you.
I don't know what that was. I don't know why he's bashing into us. I don't think I did.
Nice job. Number
I see
123.
he just got loose off the curb there. Hitting the curb.
Still outside.
Well, he's still bashing into us.
Get nasty. Both
Trying
sides
to get
clear.
away from me. This truck is just so tight in the corners. It's driving me insane.
Okay, got some driving to do. We just got about 10 seconds on it. Clear, clear. All clear.
I wouldn't be surprised to see us get lapped in this race. Just
The 123 car
can't
is
get this
down
truck
low.
to turn for whatever reason. If we gotta make a pit stop, I can try taking some wedge out of it. Yeah, see, the truck's still
Number
doesn't
123
turn.
is down low. Just got into the
I don't know what else I
123
can
car.
do.
Just hold your line. Starting to feel comfortable racing with you. Okay, we're clear.
trying. I'm not trying to hit people. I just need this truck to turn. Maybe as the tires wear, maybe the truck will loosen up a little bit. That'd be nice. Let's turn.
Number 178 is right behind you. Hamilton behind you. Another one down. All clear.
Chop my knees. I think I got arrow loose there.
Hamilton outside.
I mean, I know I want to be looser, but I don't want to be that
All
loose.
clear, whatever you need. Not a lot of damage. No big deal.
We're gonna make enemies.
Outside. Got one outside. That's another
Getting
spot.
a little better as the run goes on. Maybe we're just tight to start.
Clear on either side.
Keep locking up the tires. Not sure if we're locking up the rears or if we're locking up something.
Watch that car.
I can't see. The truck just doesn't turn.
Clear on both
It
sides.
doesn't stop either, it appears. Now I'm super loose on the straightaway.
Watch it, car behind.
Man. Maybe we shouldn't have went to Martinville for our first race. Yeah, Martinville's a tough track anyway. This is ridiculous.
Watch the outside.
Doesn't matter how slow down I get.
There you go. All clear.
I'm trying to get how slow I get into the corner. This truck just does not turn. Will not turn. Like racing a semi. Actually, I have no idea what it's like racing a semi. But if I had to imagine, I imagine a semi truck does not turn very well. Oh my god. The truck just went straight.
Clear.
Sometimes it turns, sometimes it doesn't. Right now,
Both sides. All clear.
I don't know when it's going to turn.
Number 9. Outside.
Actually, as weird as it sounds, it feels like that curve is
Taking
moving
some.
us a little bit.
Got it, Wayne. Take it easy out there.
There you go.
Come on,
Truck
man,
doesn't
let's
turn.
get it together.
Oh. Man, we are just making all sorts of enemies. We are terrible. Absolutely terrible.
You're past another.
I don't know if I'm just that bad, if I'm trying too hard.
Whatever you need, you're clear. Down low. Watch it. All clear, bud. Number 9 is down low.
I'll take the fault on that one. I'll say that was my fault. We got the leader coming up behind us pretty quick. Only about 2 seconds behind, if I had to guess.
The right front tire is a little worn. Careful now.
Yeah, we're definitely gonna make a pit
We're about
stop.
halfway up you.
The question is, do I short pit this? Maybe try to jump a few spots, get this truck loosened up? Or do I just cut it at halfway? Which is probably, in this case, the best thing to do. Just go to lap 31, 32, something like that. Ooh, decisions. As as I sit right now, I think what I want to do is just pit it halfway. I don't know if that's going to help or hurt us. Hopefully it helps us.
Got much longer on that left front tire.
But, only one way to find out.
Looking to pass, left side.
P29 right now. Actually seems like as the tires wear out, it hurts. Doesn't seem to be helping. I was hoping for something weird to happen. Doesn't look like that will happen. But I'm thinking, we're on lap 32, we'll make a pit stop. Should have checked pit road speed, because I don't know where it is. We'll give him a nice little push, help him out. Seems like the leader kind of stalled out a little bit fighting traffic.
3 wide.
And that's going to bring the caution out. We're going to get rammed into. I think I'm going to pit here, try to loosen this truck up. Maybe something good will happen. Not going to hold my breath. Might as well repair the damage. We're already in the back as it is. Yeah, so we are going to pit. See if anyone else goes. Doesn't look like anyone else is going to pit. So we're going to replace all the tires, we're going to repair damage, we're going to fill it, we're going to take some wedge out, and yeah, one around our wedge, and we'll leave tire pressure where it's at. So that'll be it. So I think we came alone. Yeah, it appears that way. So good thing we're repairing this damage by ourselves. So we were going to end up in the back anyway. But maybe this will give us a tire advantage on these guys, and we'll be able to work our way up through the field. What I don't remember is if in 2005, if they had double file or single file restarts. I think they were single file back then. We'll find out though. Single file restarts. So just gotta be easy here.
Clear, all clear. The 137 car isn't gonna let you by easily.
And looks like they're gonna be wrecked in front of us.
Number 137 is outside. Good pass. Don't worry about the
Truck
car.
turns a little
All
better.
clear.
Still not great. But it's really loose in the rear. The front just doesn't turn. We got some people making pit stops.
Keep digging. We can pick up about 8 seconds on the leader.
Truck still just wants to go straight.
Just trying to race a little cleaner. Clear, clear. All clear.
Truck's really loose on the exit.
This one's half over. Time to start making some moves now. Let's go.
Maybe we made too much of an adjustment on the wedge. Maybe we should only went a half round. Also, you gotta remember, we're also not a top tier team, don't have the best equipment. So that'll have a factor on how the truck handles. Yeah, it's really, really loose. You know, made too much of an adjustment.
Leaders are pitting. Go outside.
I'm just trying to baby it, and it's
Hamilton is down low.
not working.
Clear.
Loose on quarter entry, loose on quarter exit. Just can't find a happy median. And because they're pitting, we're currently running P13. I don't expect to stay there. And unless something weird happens. I'm on 37 car.
All clear.
And a rough race. He's more worried about getting us back than he is running his own race. Well, let's see what happens here. We are not going to pit this time. It looks like we're going to start.
Here it is. Let's go. The 64 car is looking left. Clear, all clear. Whatever you need.
Nice if we can lead a lap. Get a bonus point. Bonus points.
Outside.
Oh, I got in there way too deep.
Clear on either side.
If our strategy's going to work out, I don't think it's going to.
56 car is up high.
If it does, that'll be awesome, but I don't think so.
Number 116 up high. Go easy on the car. Clear all around.
This truck is horrible. Horrible.
Go outside.
Does not want to turn,
Come on, man.
and then when it does want to turn, it's way too loose.
Hold that line.
Bashing into everybody, making enemies.
There you go. All clear. Outside. Got one outside.
No, we only got, what do we got? 21 to go.
Right behind you.
Can't wait for this race to end.
Number 99, down low. We got triple back to third. Keep digging. Stay patient. You're about 3 seconds behind the leader. 20 down, 20 laps to go. You got both sides, you're all clear.
I don't know how I have any friends out here. Well, maybe not anymore.
Inside. You're okay, keep it together. Whatever you need, you're clear.
Trust me, I'm trying to keep it together. This truck won't allow me. The handling is horrible.
Car inside. Stick to the game plan, buddy. Don't worry about him. You know what they say, rubbing and racing. Keep those marks. You're about 5 seconds ahead. Hold steady. 3 wide. Let the car come to you. Don't press it. Come on. Let's get it going.
I'm just a pinball out here.
Contact the 152 car.
Bouncing off walls, bouncing off cars. Just a pinball. Terrible. I am terrible. No, I don't care. I'm gonna pit. Get some fresh good years on this. Tighten the truck back up. Tighten up half around. And yeah, might as well repair the damage where we got to lose. Yeah, that's gonna be all we do there. This is going to be a race I hope to forget. Looks like right sides came off clean. See how the left side goes. Everything looking good so far. Alright, so good left side. And repair the damage. Get back out there. See where we restart. Probably like 20th. P18.
The 139 car isn't going to let you by easily. You're going to lead in about 4 seconds. Number 116, high up high. You're clear. Press a little too hard. Stay cool, buddy. 1-1.
Trust me, I'm not doing this stuff on purpose. I felt like that was an abrupt stop, but I don't know.
Both sides clear.
Seems like they brake way too early in my opinion. Now it seems like the truck's rolling the corner. I don't know if it's because I'm braking sooner or because of the adjustment. You can't stay off that curb though. For whatever reason, I just want to hit that curb. I don't know. Oh, super loose in corner entry there. These next 11 laps can't go by fast enough. Truck just slid up the track. Everyone's pulling away. If I can get out of here P18, I'll be happy. Top 20. Based on the way this truck... And that only happened because of strategy and... Well, we happened to beat the caution that came out in our favor. I mean, if we didn't have that caution, I would say we'd be running probably P36 dead last. Where this truck's going. So, if we get P18, that's a win. I'm not even trying to pass it. I don't want to make any more enemies. I think I've made the whole field mad. I think I've hit just about everyone. I know they say rubbing's racing, but what I'm doing is not rubbing, and that's not racing. I wouldn't even know what you would call that. Overly aggressive, terrible truck, terrible driver. I'm leaning towards terrible driver mostly, but this truck don't help things either. Just 1 second it's got grip, 1 second it's got no grip. Too much grip, not enough grip. This truck is all over the place. Slide in the rear there. That'll use your tires up. Banging the wall. If I get out of this race with a job still, I think that'd be pretty amazing. I know for me, I'd fire me. The driving I've had, I'd fire me in a heartbeat. Got the leader right on our tail. Alright, goal, new goal for the last 3 laps. Just stay on the lead lap. That's the goal. Let's see if we can finish lead lap. P18 lead lap. That's my goal. I don't think so. I'm gonna race him hard. It's the white flag lap. So I'll race him hard. White flag lap for him.
Number 22, hello. Here we go, last lap. Okay, we're clear.
Lap for us. I'm not sure if we're racing that car next to us, whoever that is. I don't know the number. We can stay in front of them. Okay, so P18 for the finish. I'll take that. And we were racing with our ears. Terry Cook gets the win. We finish P18 on the lead lap. Look at all the enemies we made. Look at them all. The only people that are like us is that 64 car and the 105 car. Which I believe the 105 car is a teammate. I'm not sure about that 64 car. Let's go to the race results. So as mentioned before, Cook gets the win. And I believe he's going to get... No, he don't get most laps led. I'm not sure who that was. Our teammate Fisher started 27th, finished P3. Good day for him. Eubanks started 5th, finished 12th. We probably screwed him a little bit with that caution. That's maybe why he ended up there. Then you had us, started P36, finished 18th. So overall, it's a good day. But performance-wise, well, driver performance-wise, it was terrible. And then the last teammate, Goldston, started P34, finished P25, and I believe he was a lap down. I didn't see. Okay, so Montgomery started on the pole, finished P30th. He got 30. He led 34 laps, so he's gonna get the 10 bonus points. So, yeah, and 2 cars up 2 laps down, Hamilton and Van Dyke. Bank statement, we started off with $42,108. Our contract salary was $6,160. Our race winnings was $554. And our merchandise income was $149 for a new total of $48,971. I will see you back at the main screen. Alright, we got one phone call. Let's see what it is. It is an email from Ace Moneymaker, qualifying sessions. That's what it says. Don't forget to qualify before racing. If you don't, you'll start at the back of the pack. Thank you, Ace. I think we already knew that. And then our contacts is highlighted. Let's see what that's up. Wilson Eubanks has a challenge. Let's see what his challenge is. It says, if you and teammate Wilson Eubanks can lead a lap at the Cheese Wheel 200 on Friday, week 15, I'll make sure you get a team prestige bonus of 1,515. All right. So we'll try to make that happen. So for our next race, it will be a truck race. It will be at Old Spice. It's a purse of $50,000. So that, if we can finish good, that'll be a nice payout. Let's go to the Truck Series standings. See where we stand right now. So the current Truck Series leader is Terry Cook. He has 654 points, and Ricky Craven is knocking right on his bumper there with 642 points, which is only 12 points behind. And then as far as we stand, we got a teammate and currently sitting in 14th, Wilson Eubanks with 463 points. He's 191 points behind first. Our other teammate, BJ Fisher, 423 points, currently 231 points behind first. And Tyson Goldston, currently sitting in 31st, 352 points. He's 302 points behind. And then you have us currently sitting in 37th. You also got to remember that was our first race. These guys have raced 3 races before us. So, and we racked up 114 points on that race. So we are still 540 points behind. Don't think we'll have a chance at the championship, especially if the truck handles the way it did this last race. But we'll see what happens at Old Spice. Maybe good things will happen. We'll get it figured out, dialed in. Maybe pull off a win. That will be it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please hit that like button. And if you'd like to see more, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, and you'll get notifications next time I upload a video. If there's anything you guys would like to see or like to see me do better, please leave a comment in the comments section below. And I will see you guys very, very soon.